Hey guys, so I'm going to check out these other wall sconces that I just received for reviewing purposes, and I think that they're really nice because they have a motion detection function that makes it really handy, so they can automatically turn on and off without having to control it at hand, which I think that it's really nice. And they are just dusted down, meaning that they only will work at night, so that way you don't have to worry and just leave them turn on all day long without having to worry if they're gonna turn on or anything like that at the correct time, which I think that it's great. Okay, it seems like a really simple installation. We get the instruction manual and some hardware to install it, which I think that it's great. So let's go ahead and set them up.
The installation process is actually quite simple and straightforward, as you just need to install the base upon the junction box, do the proper wiring, and place the main unit upon the base. I like that it has an open bottom design, which allows us to install and change the light bulbs really easily. This set uses the 826 light bulb base, which is the most useful one, so whether you prefer a cool or a warm ambient light, you can choose to set the perfect light for your needs. The motion sensor features two lighting modes, a motion detection mode that will turn on when any kind of movement is detected and goes back off when it doesn't detect any movement at all, and the second mode will be consistently on for a period of up to 8 hours and will automatically turn off at dawn. It also features a 120 degrees sensing angle with a 20 feet sensing distance, which ensures optimal coverage.
Okay guys, as you can see, they are already installed and I think that they look amazing. I like a lot that they have the dust down function because that way, as I can just leave them on and it will automatically turn on at the correct time. As you can see, I placed these warm white light bulbs and I think that they look amazing. They give a really nice vibe to my entrance doors, and I think that you can place them wherever you want. I think that they have a really nice design, and overall I like a lot and I will really recommend them. See you guys.